Bango.
Makita yung...
I'm gonna teach you how to make a dessert. First, you will make the sauce. Combination of cream. What is this cream?
Milk and cream.
Heavy cream and condensed. Put together. The quantity is 1:2. It's good for, it's like around 10 people to 15.
Pwede din siya gawing negosyo, no?
Yes, it's just simply, and it's not that much costly.
Mga magkano siya? Approximate.
Around, you will just expense around 50 dirhams. As what I've told you, it's 1:2. So 1 condensed and 2 cream.
So any brand as long as heavy
cream.
cream siya. But we use here sa Dubai is yung Nestle cream kasi available siya sa market at hindi rin siya mahal. Ano masasabi mo naman dyan sa Bango mo? Paano mo yan natutunan?
A recipe from my mom. This is well known in Philippines. So far as I know, 1 tub is around 500 pesos.
Talaga?
Yes.
Ginagawa din nilang business yan?
Bumibili sila.
Ganda ng cook natin.
Ito, para hindi ka mahirapan gumawa ng tapioca pearl or sago, kailangan muna siya ibabad sa mainit na tubig para pagluto hindi siya ganun katagal. So, mga at least 30 to 1 hour is enough. Then, lalagay mo na siya sa mainit. Doon mo na siya lulutuin. Yun. Natin siya lulutuin sa aking beautiful granite pot.
Granite. So, paano pag wala silang granite?
Kaserola na lang.
Kaserola. But make it sure na yung tubig nyo is mas marami pa dito kasi while cooking and boiling, nag-absorb siya ng water. So, kung matuyuan siya, mahihirapan kayo maggawa ng sago. Na wala na yung white ganyan. Then, considered na siyang luto. Medyo matagal lang to na process. Now, prepare for the mango.
Makita yung...
Bali, ilang mangga yan?
More than kilo to eh.
1.5 kilo. So, nasa 6 pieces, no?
Kasi good for 15 katao ang ano natin, prepare. Preparing for the gelatin. You need to dissolve the powder before putting it on fire. Natin ng isa pang kulo. Then ready, palamigin na natin siya. Hi! Back! Now we're gonna mix everything that we got.
Tapioca. And now, mixing the jelly.
Make sure no water.
So, hindi siya pandan, ha? Bango.
Wala lang available na white
Jelly.
jelly. You know, here in UAE.
Kung ano lang yung available. The main ingredients.
Mango.
The star of this mango bango.
This is the final product. Take me, take me.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me,